Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about weather. Tsatsi jeno re tsile go bua ka bosa. Just like anywhere else in the world, weather in Botswana is very important, so you can use it as an icebreaker. Tepo loapi. Tepo loapi. Weather report. Maru. Maru. Clouds. Liru. Liru. Cloud. Diphefo. Diphefo. Windy. Phefo. Phefo. Wind. Pula. Pula. Rain. Pula yana. Pula yana. It's raining. Morwalela. Morwalela. Flood. Merwalela. Merwalela. Floods. Tladi le dikgadima. Tladi le dikgadima. Thunder and lightning. Letsatsi. Letsatsi. Sun. Bolelo. Bolelo or mogote. Mogote. Heat. Bothitho. Bothitho. Warm. Borwa. Borwa. South. Bokoni. Bokoni. North. Bothaba. Bothaba. East. Bophirima. Bophirima. West. Go letsatsi. Go letsatsi. It's sunny. Go dipula. Go dipula. It's rainy. Go diphefo. Go diphefo. It's windy. Go merwalela. Go merwalela. It's flooding. Pula e ena magadi. Pula e ena magadi. Peaceful rain. Mosarasarani. Mosarasarani. Drizzle. Dipula tsa medupi. Dipula tsa medupi. Continuous rain. Muane. Muane. Fog. Sefoka boleya. Sefoka boleya. Snow. Sefako. Sefako. Hail. Matsubutsubu, matsubutsubu. Heavy winds or dusty winds. Go omeletse, go omeletse. It is dry. Leuba, leuba. Drought. Motshe wa godimo, motshe wa godimo or mookodi. Rainbow. Go thibile bontlhabongwe, go thibile bontlhabongwe. It's partly cloudy. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. There's a lot to unpack from this video. I'll do a live streaming follow-up, so tuned. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Sala sentle. Until we meet again next time. Goodbye. Go siame. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you don't miss any of our class. Okay, go siame.